All right. All right, I went fly fishing for the first time ever a couple days ago, and I had a blast. Oh yeah, my first bluegill on the fly, guys. Yo, check this out. I'm hooked to fly fishing now. That's probably my favorite way of fishing. And if you didn't watch the video, link in the description down below. But for now on, I'll be fly fishing a lot. Yesterday, I just spent about $300 on material to tie my own flies. So that's definitely my new hobby. And that's what we do today out here in the swamp. See if we can get some bluegill. Pretty much just gonna go ahead and have a blast fly fishing. So welcome back to Living Outdoors. All right, I see so many fish hitting on top of the water already, so I have a good feeling. I have a feeling that we're gonna catch some fish today. I'm gonna start the day with this foam cricket. That's what I caught my fish on a couple of days ago. And we're gonna take advantage of that. Early in the morning, top water bite, top water fishing. And then later on, whenever these fish don't want to hit on top water no more, we might try some wet flies, something that sinks a little bit. And I never caught a fish with that, but we're gonna try later on for sure. So while it's still super early, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can catch something on top water, and we go from there. All right, fish on. Fish on, fish number one of the day. Little bitty bluegill, but it's still something. I'm still getting the hang of just reeling this fish in. On the foam cricket. All right, buddy, thank you. Oh my God, that's so much fun, guys. You have no idea. That wasn't a big fish, but it's still a nice fight. Fish number two, guys. Just like that. Oh, it came off. Just like that. Oh my God, that's so much fun. I've been really just fishing pretty much with my hands, just pretty much pulling on the line. But I do wanna fight one with the reel. But by the time I try to pick up slack with the reel, the fish is gone. So I guess I gotta keep the tension on the line as I reel my slack. Fish on. All right, that's a little fighter right there too. Almost. Oh yeah, baby. That's a little fighter, a little bigger, a little nice bluegill. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. And guys, these fish, they small. However, fighting them with a 90-foot fly rod is definitely fun. And see them hitting the crickets is almost just as good as fishing on top water for bass. In my opinion, maybe even better. All right, fish on. That feels like a nicer one too. Not too big, but maybe not even a bluegill. Oh yeah, it's a bluegill. Oh no, it's a nice lake runner. I believe that's what's called, lake runner. And I told y'all that's bigger than what I've caught so far. Y'all check this out. Ain't that pretty? Nicely held fish. Thank you for the fight, buddy. Man, I'm having a blast. I don't think I'll ever bass fish again. All right. Man, I love just hitting on top water. All right. Nice little bluegill. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for the fight. All right. They slowed down on top water a little bit. They pretty slow. Let's go ahead and put a wet fly. And I never caught a fish with a wet fly before, so let's give it a shot. All right, we're gonna start with this little bitty thing right here. I don't know what's called. If you know what's called, write in the comments down below. But I got a golden head on it. I know it probably sinks a little bit. It's like a nymph kind of looking thing. So let's see if we can catch something out of the top water. All right, first fish on the wet fly. As soon as I started working a little faster, it hit and it fights pretty. Oh my God, look at the size of this bluegill. Is that a bluegill? Oh, Jesus Christ. First fish on the wet fly. I think it's called a wet fly. It sinks. Guys, look at the size of this thing. That's for this area, that's a massive bluegill. On this little thing right here, I don't know what's called. I know it sinks, but that's it. Our first bluegill. Look at the size of this thing. Let's go ahead and let it go. If I was keeping fish, that was definitely a keeper size, but first fish on the wet fly. Hell yeah. All right, folks, I just realized that I forgot the batteries for my camera, so I only have one set of batteries. And it was enough to film some catches. We got to catch some fish, and I got my first fish on a wet fly, which is, I'm crossing items on my to-do list as far as fly fishing goes. But thank you for watching. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.